That is a pocket. That is a real pocket. Hello world, it's Sandy, and welcome to my first video. There's a lot I could say, but today I have a New York and Company haul for you guys. Now this is a store that's found in almost every mall I've ever been to, but for some reason I always overlooked it, and I feel like a lot of other people do too, when there are literally such good clothing in the store. Like, quality, great. It's so good. The original price of everything is pretty expensive, but everything is almost always on sale, and really good sales. The other day, one of their sales was buy one dress, get 3 dresses free. One dress, the original price is about like $80, but 3 free, and the quality is still there. It's really good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the haul. The first item I have for you guys is this purple dress. Now, it's very classy and it could be worn into many different events, but the best thing about this is it's really good quality fabric. You can't see through it. It's very thick, but like also breathable. So it works for summer, but also you won't be freezing if you wore this in winter. This dress I bought in 3 different colors. The purple, and there's also a black, also a navy. Almost every item has pockets, and they are deep pockets, guys. Pockets, you can put your phone in it, like an iPhone X. You can fit your iPhone X in these pockets. When does it happen? Literally never. So that's like one of the main reasons why I love the store, because dresses and pockets, I mean, what's better than that? Next dress is lavender stuff in this season, which is great. It's very casual, buttons all the way down, tie a bow around the waist, which I love, cute and girly. It's one of my favorite things ever. And of course, it has the pockets because, like I said before, it's literally their thing. So here's the next item. It's this pink shirt. It is very flowy and long and just really cute on. I love this top, and the color of it's so pretty. Oh, this next dress right here is this little yellow dress. Has a little ruffle at the bottom, which is adorable. We love a ruffle. So the next item is literally my favorite piece that I got, but they are too big on me, which is so sad, and they don't make a smaller size, so I'm going to get them altered because I love them that much. They are these pink shorts. They are so cute. Shorts have pockets in the back, but they're fake pockets in the back, but the pockets in the front are real. You can put a little belt on the waist. It is buttoned up like this, and yeah, are the prettiest color pink. They are actually long, my butt's not hanging out. Being a tall girl, everything is just so short on me all the time. This next dress is a shift dress. It's very plain, but can be worn many different ways. This in 2 colors. There's also this green one over here, and it's really cute. I like the back, how it has this little detail of the pleating. It's really nice. The final item I have is the prettiest sundress ever. I love this dress. It is bright orange, which is a color that I am basically terrified of, but I am trying to go out of my comfort zone and get colors that should look good on my skin tone that I normally wouldn't pick for myself, and orange is definitely one of them. It buttons all the way down, has this really cute belt.